Hey there, space and tech enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a mind-boggling topic that has me absolutely fascinated. SpaceX, the company we all know for its groundbreaking space missions, is undergoing a massive transformation, and it's not just about rockets anymore. In fact, it's about to become an AI powerhouse, and the implications are truly out of this world. So, let's start with a bombshell statement from Elon Musk himself. He predicts that by 2028, SpaceX's AI revenue will surpass $500 billion, and that's just the beginning. Musk believes that within the next 5 years, AI will be the primary driver of SpaceX's value, and the numbers he's throwing around are simply astronomical. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. SpaceX has already made some significant moves in the AI space. They've acquired xAI, a startup founded by Musk, which developed the chatbot Grok and operates a supercomputer cluster in Tennessee. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Musk sees AI as the future of SpaceX, and he's not shy about it. In his address to employees, Musk painted a picture of a future where AI and robots dominate, and it's not just about making money. He believes that an AI developed by SpaceX, nurtured by some of the best and brightest minds on Earth, will be a force for good, helping humanity explore other planets and star systems. It's a vision that's both ambitious and inspiring. But how does SpaceX plan to achieve this? Well, they are aiming for 10 gigawatts of AI compute by the end of next year, a massive jump from their current capacity. And the potential revenue from this? Somewhere between $300 billion to $500 billion annually. That's a number that makes you sit up and take notice. And it gets even more fascinating. SpaceX has grand plans for off-Earth data centers, with factories on the moon to build these centers, and launch AI satellites into low Earth orbit using their reusable Starship megarocket. It's like they are building their own little space-based AI empire. Now, here's a detail that blew my mind. SpaceX has identified an eventual total addressable market of $28.5 trillion, with nearly $23 trillion of that in the AI field. That's a number that's almost incomprehensible, and it puts into perspective just how massive this AI venture could be. But why is SpaceX so focused on AI? Well, Musk believes that AI is the future, and he wants to ensure that this technology is developed with humanity's best interests at heart. He sees it as a way to help us explore the cosmos and ensure our survival as a species. So, what does this all mean for us? Well, personally, I think it's a testament to the incredible vision and ambition of Elon Musk and SpaceX. They are not just content with launching rockets. They are shaping the future of AI and space exploration. It's a reminder that we live in an age where the possibilities are truly limitless. In conclusion, SpaceX's transformation into an AI powerhouse is a story that's still unfolding, and it's one that I, for one, can't wait to see develop. It's a journey that will shape not just the future of SpaceX, but potentially the future of humanity. So, keep an eye on this space, because the next few years are going to be absolutely mind-blowing. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I'll catch you in the next video with more fascinating insights and analyses.